If you're dreaming of a tropical escape where luxury meets authentic Thai hospitality, then Nora Buri Resort and Spa on Koh Samui deserves a place on the very top of your travel list. Nestled on the peaceful northern end of Chaweng Beach, Nora Buri offers the perfect balance between relaxation and convenience. Unlike many resorts in the heart of Chaweng, you will enjoy a quieter atmosphere with stunning ocean views, while still being only minutes away from the island's vibrant restaurants, shopping, and famous nightlife. It's the ideal location for travelers who want the best of both worlds. Getting here couldn't be easier. Nora Buri Resort and Spa is located just 5 minutes or approximately 1.6 kilometers from the Koh Samui International Airport, making it one of the most conveniently located luxury resorts on the island. After a short transfer, you will already be checking into paradise. The most popular time to visit Koh Samui is between December and April, when visitors can expect warm sunshine, calm seas, and low rainfall. This is the perfect season for beach lovers, honeymooners, and anyone wanting to enjoy the island's spectacular coastline and outdoor activities. The resort itself blends contemporary luxury and traditional Thai architecture. Guests can choose from elegant deluxe rooms or private pool villas, many offering breathtaking views across the Gulf of Thailand. Two beautiful swimming pools, direct beach access, multiple restaurants, and a relaxing spa create everything you need for a memorable island getaway. Guest reviews consistently praise the resort for its spacious, spotless rooms, exceptional service, and peaceful atmosphere. Many visitors highlight the warm, attentive staff, stunning infinity pools, and beautiful spa views as major reasons why they would happily return. While the hillside sitting means some of the areas are steep, complimentary buggy transport around the property makes getting around effortless. When you're ready to explore, you will find plenty of attractions nearby. Chaweng Beach is just minutes away, offering soft white sand, water sports, and lively beachfront dining. The famous Big Buddha Temple is only a short drive from the resort, while Fisherman's Village in Bo Pit is perfect for boutique shopping, local markets, and waterfront restaurants. Adventure seekers can also book boat trips to Ongtong National Marine Park or snorkeling excursions to Koh Tao, both unforgettable highlights of any Koh Samui holiday. Whether you're planning a romantic holiday, a relaxing couples retreat, or simply looking to experience one of Thailand's most beautiful islands in style, Nora Buri Resort and Spa delivers an unforgettable combination of luxury, comfort, and location. It's easy to see why so many guests leave already planning their very next visit. This is obviously a very beautiful place. Maybe a little difficult for some people to get around, but the staff will go above and beyond to help you with that if at all possible. But this is a beautiful beach, a beautiful part of the island, and just minutes away from all the nightlife, all the shopping, the restaurants, but still far enough away from all of that to enjoy a quiet, peaceful holiday. Let's look at some of the numbers. This is all from Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can check it out, get more information, or check out the prices on your dates, because we all know hotel prices change constantly. This is looking about 2 months ahead, which is still in the low season. Keep that in mind. The prices will go up in the high season. This is a 5-star resort, and looking 2 months ahead, the cheapest price available is 3,669 Thai baht per night, which works out to about $110 per night. The customer rating here is 8.6 out of 10 with 4,289 reviews. Not too bad in my opinion. Anything above 8.5 on Agoda is pretty exceptional in my experience. The people that have stayed here has liked this hotel. Alright guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you on the next one.